Hi friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In this video we are going to see 10th standard science unit 16 part 2 3 PTA government and additional question and answers. Number 1 is 1 mark question. Pancreas acts as dash gland, exocrine, endocrine, both A and B, flying. Answer is both A and B. Select the odd one from the following about diabetes mellitus. A. Prevalence 10% to 20%, juvenile onset, underweight, obesity. Answer is obesity. Dash is found abundantly in liquid endosperm of coconut. Oxia, cytokinin, gibberellins, ethylene. Answer is B, cytokinin. Then second is short answer questions, 2 mark questions. Identify the disorder with which the person shown in the figure is suffering. The person is suffering from geriatry. It is caused due to the inadequate supply of iodine in our diet. Write any 2 physiological effects of ethylene. Ethylene promotes the ripening of fruits. Example, tomato, apple, mango, banana, etc. Ethylene inhibits the elongation of stem and root in dicots. What is parthenocarpic fruit? Give an example. Seedless fruits without fertilization or induced by the external application of auxins is called parthenocarpic fruit. Example, watermelon, grapes, lime. Part 3 is additional question, 1 more question. PAA and IBA are natural and synthetic auxin. The cytokinin zeatin is produced by zeamycin. Seedless fruits are produced by gibberellins and cytokinins. Formation of callus from the tissue culture is known as morphogenesis. Indole 3, acetic acid called auxin, was first isolated from human urine. Which one prevent premature fall of fruit? NAA. Auxin synthesis occurs in root, shoot, tips. ABA regulates abscission and dormancy. Hormone that has negative effect on apical dominance is cytokinin. The gibberellins have been commercially exploited for breaking dormancy of seeds. Ethylene is connected with allimactic ripening of fruits. ABA acts as antagonistic to gibberellins. Coleoptile refers to sheath covering plumule. Name the deficiency due to decreased secretion of growth hormone. Dwarfism. Over secretion of growth hormone in children leads to gigantism. Over secretion of growth hormone in adult leads to acromegaly. Name the hormone produced by pineal gland. Melatonin. Name the colloidal material secreted by follicle cells of thyroid. Thyroglobulin. How much iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroxinol? 120 mg iodine per day. Which part of India is deficient of iodine content? Himalayan regions. The deficiency of thyroid hormone in adult leads to myxodema. What is meant by exophthalmia? Protrusion of eyeballs. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Number 3, short answer questions. What is apical dominance? The auxins produced by the apical buds suppress growth of lateral buds is called apical dominance. What is called Richmond-Lang effect? Application of cytokinins delays the process of aging or senescence in plants is called Richard-Lang effect. What is meant by tetany? It refers to the sustained contraction of muscles in face, larynx, hand and feet due to the calcium deficiency. Which hormone is known as life-saving hormone? How? Cortisol is a life-saving hormone. It maintains the body in living condition and recovers it from the severe effects of stress reactions. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. What is corpus luteum? Corpus luteum is a structure that is formed in the ovary from the ruptured follicle after ovulation is called corpus luteum. What are the functions of thymosin? It has a stimulatory effect on the immune function. It stimulates the production and differentiation of lymphocytes. Mention two functions of progesterone. It is responsible for the premenstruational changes of the uterus. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of the embryo. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Long answer question. Write down the physiological effects of auxins. Elongation of stems. It promotes elongation of stems. Induce root formation. In low concentration induces root formation and in high concentration inhibit root formation. Apical dominance. Auxins produced by apical buds suppress the growth of lateral buds known as apical dominance. Parthenocarpy. The external application of auxins induces seedless fruits without fertilization. Example, watermelon, grapes, etc. Prevent abscission. Auxins prevent the formation of abscission layer. List down the physiological effect of ABA. Promotes abscission. ABA promotes separation of leaves, flowers and fruits from branch prematurely. Abscission. Stomatal closure. During water stress and drought conditions, ABA causes stomatal closure. Promotes senescence. In leaves, it causes loss of chlorophyll. Induces bud dormancy. Towards the approach of winter, it causes bud dormancy. Example, birch. Powerful inhibitor of lateral bud growth. ABA is a powerful inhibitor of lateral bud growth. Example, tomato. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Write the structure and function of thyroid gland. Refer book for diagram. The thyroid gland is composed of two distinct lobes lying on either side of the trachea. The two lobes are connected by means of a narrow band of tissue known as the isthmus. This gland is composed of glandular follicles and lined by cuboidal epithelium. The follicles are filled with colloid material called thyroglobulin. An amino acid tyrosine and iodine are involved in the formation of thyroid hormone. The hormones secreted by the thyroid gland are tryptophan T3, tetrodotyronin T4. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Functions of thyroid hormones. Production of energy by maintaining the basal metabolic rate BMR of the body. Helps to maintain normal body temperature. Influences the activity of central nervous system. Controls growth of the body and bone formation. Essential for normal physical, mental and personality development. It is also known as personality hormone. Regulates the cell metabolism. Give an account of hypothyroidism. It is due to the decreased secretion of thyroid hormones. Simple goitre. It is due to the dietary iodine deficiency. It leads to the enlargement of thyroid gland called goitre. Cretinism. The condition or stunt growth mental defect, lack of skeletal development and deformed bones. Cretins. Myxoedema. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. They are mentally sluggish. Puffiness of the face and hand due to thickening of the skin. Oedematous appearance. Increase in body weight. Describe the structure and function of parathyroid glands. Refer book for your text. These glands are four small oval bodies situated on the posterior surface of the thyroid lobe. The chief cells are secreting the hormone parathyroid. It regulates calcium, phosphorus metabolism in the body. They act on bone, kidney and intestine to maintain blood calcium levels. Give an account of the structure of Pancreas with the diagram. Refer book for diagram. Pancreas is an elongated yellowish gland situated in the loop of stomach and duodenum. The exocrine pancreas secrete pancreatic juice involved in digestion. The endocrine portion consists of islets of Langerhans. The alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. What is the significance of insulin and what does the deficiency lead to? Describe. Insulin helps in the conversion of glucose into glycogen. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cells. It increases the glucose oxidation in the cells. It decreases the concentration of glucose in the blood. The deficiency of insulin leads to diabetic mellitus. In this, there is increased blood sugar level, hyperglycemia. Excretion of excess glucose in the urine, glycosuria. Frequent urination, polyuria. Increased thirst, polydipsia. Increase in appetite, polyphagia. Name the pituitary hormones and on the target tissues. How does it exert its action? Pituitary hormone is growth hormone. Tissue, all tissues. Action, growth of cartilage, bones, muscles and enlargement of all tissues. Thyroid stimulating hormone, pituitary hormone, tissue, thyroid gland. Action, controls growth of the thyroid gland, coordinates its activities and hormone secretion. Pituitary hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, tissue, adrenal gland, cortex layer. Action, stimulates adrenal cortex to produce its hormones and influence protein synthesis also. Pituitary hormone, gonadotropins, follicular stimulating hormones, tissue, testis, germinal epithelium, ovary, follicles. Action, in male, it stimulates germinal epithelium of testis to produce sperms. In female, it initiates growth ovarian follicles. Pituitary hormone, luteinizing hormone, tissue, testis male, ovary female. Action is promotes the Leydig cells to secrete male sex hormones. Testosterone causes ovulation. Prolactin, pituitary gland, tissue, mammary glands. Action, initiates development of mammary glands during pregnancy and stimulates milk production after childbirth. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. இந்த வீடியோவை again and again போட்டு பாருங்கள். போட்டு பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஃப்ளோ ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாமில். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் எக்ஸாமினேஷன். இதில் இந்த வீடியோவோடு இல்லாமல் உங்களுக்கு ஷார்ட் வீடியோஸாகவும் நான் போடுறேன். அதையும் பார்த்து பெனிஃபிட் ஆகுங்க. பிட்யூட்டரி கிளாண்ட், போஸ்டீரியர் லோப், hormones, vasopressin, tissue, kidney tubules. Action, increases reabsorption of water and reduces water loss through urine. Oxytocin, pituitary gland, tissue, uterus. Action, helps in concentration of smooth muscles and uterus at the time of childbirth and milk ejection from mammary gland. We can meet in the next video. Bye bye.